They put 20 gallons in.
So I want to bring curry this. But we can't get no rice.
Hey, did you know that I have an iPad?
You do?
Yeah. The remote is right
You want to
there.
rub that in there? Get all those flavors. You put you know put tomato in there?
No.
Chef, this is good. Get it on video.
Let all those flavors marinate. Is this recording? Yeah. Want to let all those flavors marinate. If you look at me, I'm still crying. The onion is really making me cry. But we're gonna make this curry chicken. We're gonna see it through. We're gonna make this curry chicken. Yes, man. Look at marinate. Get all those flavors and the juices out there, man. Look at wicked.
How long are you mixing it for?
Just enough to get all those flavors in there, man. Get that meat nice and juicy, man. Get it nice and juicy. Might as well put that shit on YouTube.
Nah, I don't want to steal your secret recipes.
Blake Brooks making curry chicken. Or making curry chicken goes wrong. Start crying. Fake Jamaican accent. Yes, that's fake Jamaican accent. Real Jamaican accent now. Yeah, cry me eye off. Can't talk no more. Curry powder, I bought me. An onion. I conspire to make me cry. Can't watch it no more. Can't watch it no more. But you want to get the flavor, you want to get the flavor of them now, you see. All the juice and the water. Get the flavors in the curry chicken, man. Yes, Blake Brooks in the chef. Chef Blake Hardin cooking up this nice batch of. Smells so currified right now. So currified in this kitchen.
Wait, what's this?
What is
Oh,
what?
that's onions.
Onions, escallion, curry powder. And some other spice I won't tell you. I said, teeth with. Oh, need some. Oh, yes. You can't forget the time. The time is what give it the flavor. Every time. Oh, curry up. Never made curry chicken without time. That is where the flavors come in.
Chinese.
That secret flavors. Yes, man.
Where y'all acquire ideas from?
I have no idea, boss. But you can find it in any food store. You know, go to the spices. So you want two, usually in cut a sprig at a time. See? So you want like 3 or 4 sprigs at a time. So, one,
And we'll put two of them on the side.
two, 3, 4. You leave it in there whole. When it marinate and cook it, you can take out when it take out the flavor of them. So the time, take the time. Take time and put some time at the time. Alright? You get some excellent time at the time. Curry chicken in the kitchen with Blake Brooks.
You said he's finding the spice section?
Yes, anytime you go buy these spices, you can find this in the spicy section with the escallions and the other things like escallions and yes.
The scallions?
Yes.
Green things?
Yeah, man. So you're going to continue to rub in these flavors. Rub in these flavors with this nice curry chicken. Smell good right now, wicked. I'm not crying no more. No more tears to cry for this chicken. No more tears for this chicken. We're going to eat good tomorrow. Yeah, man. Yes, curry chicken up this Nice up this curry chicken. What we're going to do is like let this marinate overnight. So you're going to suck in them. The meat going to suck up these flavors. Feel me? Gotta cook as well. Toss some wicked cooking tomorrow.
Tomorrow you're cooking?
Yeah.
Oh, I think that's nice. Okay.
Oh, you're going to cook it tonight? I was going to wait till tomorrow.
Okay, no problem.
Yeah, come you want to marinate.
Okay, on this one.
Suck up all those curry flavors and them excellent island spices. Get it in there nice and get it in there nice. Get it in there nice.
Roll like a boat, in your roll like a boat.
Man, no talk. I know the words. You roll like a boat. Rap to the way when you draft your rope. When you roll like a boat. When you roll like a boat. Hey. That shit definitely going into it.